going to go back to where we left off here. I'm going to share screen. And, you know, one of the ways that leaders really help in terms of developing that growth mindset, I'm going to talk about a few strategies. Some, I'm sure a lot of you talked about different and rich strategies. But first, let's take a minute to look at this cartoon. You know, this is an organization that we can make it up. Maybe they were, what were they doing? Maybe they were running workshops, in-person workshops, and then COVID broke. Guess what happened to in-person workshops when COVID broke? They stopped happening, right? We experienced this at the University for Peace. So what if we, you have a group of people sitting around saying, what if we don't change at all and hope that something magical happens? Right? That's the fixed mindset. That's like, no, we've always, things have always worked. We're really good as an organization. Let's not do anything different, because that's taking a risk. That's getting out of your comfort zone. You might fail if you try something else. That's experimentation. So what leadership does that's trying to encourage the growth mindset, it lowers the barriers to failure. It creates organizations that can experiment, that can try new things. It plays to, in a situation where things are not going so well, it plays to what has worked well in our past. What are the things that we know work well for us, and how can we bring them into this new environment, right? So this word appreciative inquiry is something that in our positive leadership workshop, we really look at as a tool that leaders can use to grow a growth mindset and develop a growth mindset. Another fun activity that